Okay, it is new trail day here at Rocky Knob, and this is very exciting. This is jumbo shrimp, which I believe is named after either the company or the guy or his equipment that helped build it. It's a blue square kind of combo flow tech trail, and it's got a drop and some tight turns at the beginning, but then it really opens up. This is probably the fastest trail. Like, you can get going stupid fast here, starting right now. And after that, there's a little climb. So while I'm doing that, please do subscribe. We've got over 400 subscribers at the time of recording, but if we get 500 or more, we can start doing the community tab, meaning we can organize group rides and group ski trips, stuff like that. So just a second. All right, part 2 begins with a little roll. Big shout to Northwest NC Trail Alliance, or MTB Alliance, I think it's called, for putting in a lot of work, as well as the Boone Area Cyclists kind of dirty Thursday crew. I remember this showing up on Trail Forks a while ago of a planned route, and to see it here is really cool. What do we got here? Rock roll. Yeah. Ooh. So these tight berms do a good job at slowing you down, but I do recommend staying in a middle gear for a lot of this, because a lot of times you're going to want to pedal out of the corners. Some rock work. Oh yeah. Phew. Here we go. Yeah, tight corner. This certainly feels like a racetrack. Like, oh boy. That frame hit may have been a problem. And here we get to a little alt line I want to show you called Basic Shrimp Roll. All right, so this is kind of a 3-piece shrimp roll. First part, I'm not even hitting rock. Second part is real steep, and then oh, yeehaw! All right, so if you didn't take basic shrimp roll, your route looks like this with another tight burn. And then insane speed, little off camber. Rock garden. Ah. Yeah, more than most trails I've been on, this one really rewards pumping at like every roller. I think the bridge comes up soon. Yep. Ah. Pitter patter. Let's get at her. Here's some more. A little rough at the end. Maybe I'm just tired. And we make it down here to the middle of nowhere where we can go and fall. Oh, clips. Anyway, great way to end the video. Do like and subscribe. And come out here and get yourself some jumbo shrimp. Till next time.